Hello guys, welcome back to Untitled. Now I'm going to show you how to make a simple maze game that you can make on Scratch. So Scratch is a really fun coding game that you could download on Google. It's completely free. So the latest version is Scratch 3.21.0, like the one that I'm using right now. So first thing that you're going to do is make a character. So I already make mine. How to do it, you can also choose anything from these. Simply press this, or if you want to design your own, you can do it from here. See, I just put a square and then patch another square in the middle and then add an arrow. So this is the key that you use to make a square. Just tap and drag, and also the line is here, and then how to change the color is here. See, you just drag whatever color you want. So you also have to make a maze. You can design your own maze, and then how to do it is I just basically use the square rectangle, and then I made it long. Then I just put 3 here, and then a tunnel, a dead end over here, and then yeah, like that. So now we want the sprite to be able to go forwards, backwards, right and left. So how do you do it? Go to events, drag this, and then go to control forever, if in the middle, and then go to sensing, and then drag this one, and then we want it to be the key W to make him go forwards. Now go to motion, and then move, pick the top one, move one step, and then we're gonna drag this again at events, and then go to control forever, and then this if in the middle, and then go to sensing, and then drag this. Oops, it's not okay. And then the letter D to go right. Where's D? Okay, D. No, that's C. D. And then go to motion, turn right, and then 2 degrees, and then turn left. This, and then go to control forever, if, go to sensing, and then this, drag this, then the key A. Go to motion, and then turn left, and then turn 2 degrees. Now backwards. Go to events, drag this, grab forever, if and then in the middle, and then go to sensing, and then this, and then we're going to take the letter S to go backwards. Here it is. Now go to motion. Because we wanted to make it to be able to move backwards, we're gonna put it -1. Okay. So we want our sprite to spawn here when we press the go button. So go to events, and then grab this, and then go to motion, go to this, drag this, and then it should be the same coordination right here. And then also point in direction 90 here. Okay, let's test it out. See, now I can move my sprite forwards, backwards, left and right, and also at the same time. Okay, good. Now we're gonna code maze. So if the sprite touches the maze, it's going to game over. So go to maze, and then go to events, and then we're gonna drag this again, then go to control forever, if in the middle, go to sensing, and then drag the top one right here, and then when it's touching sprite. Why do I have so much sprites? Okay, good. I'm gonna leave it like that. So now we're going to make a backdrop. You guys can pick any backdrop over here, but I'm just gonna make a simple white background backdrop. So how to do it? I already made 3. So one is the original one, the white original, and the second one is the game over backdrop, and the third one that says you won. How to do it? You just click this and then go to paint, and then it will automatically show up. And then how to put a text? You just click this one, and then click it again here, and then you can use any of these because I wanted to make a little bit 8-bit, so let's use pixel. I used pixel. Okay, so how to change the color is the same over here. I'm gonna use a red color, and also I use the backdrop hearts. Yeah, because why not? So now we want backdrop 1 to show up first when I press go. So we're gonna go to event and then drag this and then go to looks and then switch backdrop 1. Okay, so now we're gonna go back to maze. We already did this, so now we're gonna switch to backdrop 2. That says game over. So we don't want the maze and the sprite to show up when it changes the backdrop to game over. So how to do it? You go to events, and then when backdrop switches to backdrop 2 over here, and then go to looks, hide, and one more. Switch to backdrop 1, go to looks, show. Same to sprite, go to events, and then drag this, and then go to looks, show. This is backdrop 1. So now go to events, when backdrop switches to backdrop 2, go to looks, hide. Okay, let's try it out. See? So nothing is covering the writing game over here. So if we press go again, it's going back to the start. So now we're gonna make a goal. So I'm just gonna make a simple goal, a portal maybe, like this. It's too big. Still too big. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna put it over. Okay, here. Let's change the color to this so it's interesting. Then go to code. Oh yeah, one more thing. So if the sprite touches portal, I'm gonna change it to portal. So we're gonna go to this. When go button clicked, and then grab forever. If in the middle, go to sensing, grab the top one, and then sprite, touching sprite, and then now you're going to make another backdrop that says you want over here. So first put the anything you want actually, but I prefer the hearts. And then put another text over here, make it bigger, and then change the color to red. Okay, so now we're gonna go to portal. So you already done this. It's the same as maze, but if it touches the maze, it's gonna turn to backdrop 2 that says game over. So if it hits the goal, the portal, then it's gonna switch to backdrop hearts. We also don't want the portal, the maze, and the sprite to show up when it switches to backdrop 3. So we're gonna make the same thing. Go to events, and then when backdrop switches to backdrop. Oh yeah, we haven't done the backdrop 1 and backdrop 2 to the portal. So wait a minute. So go to looks and then hide. No, show. Cause yeah. And then go to events. And then when backdrop switches to backdrop 2, go to looks, hide. And then one more. When backdrop switches to backdrop hearts, go to looks and then hide. Okay, now we're going to go to maze, go to events, and then when backdrop switches to backdrop hearts, go to looks and then hide. And then sprite also, go to events, and backdrop, switch to backdrop, hearts, go to looks, hide. Okay, that's all. So let's try it. So if I lose, then none of these characters are serving, so let's try to win. Oh yeah, you guys can make the maze a little bit more challenging, it's up to you. But I'm just gonna make simple one, transparent. Okay. So to know if your spread is going the straight direction, the outer lines are straight, and if it's going the wrong direction, oh my god. So if it's going the not straight direction, the outer lines are a little bit wavy like this. See? Okay, let's do it gently, slowly, steady. Okay. Okay, nice, nice. Okay. So, what game should I make next after this video? Comment down below, and feel free to ask me something if you have any trouble with making this game. Yeah. So, just wait for me to win. Oh my god. Okay, okay, okay. Nice. So please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. That will be really helping, and I hope this is a productive tutorial that you can do at your home. And comment down below if you want me to make more of these videos. Yeah, you want. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you at the next video. Goodbye.